So, hello students, we are looking at your iLearn page and learning to navigate through the page. At the top of the screen, you will see the welcome page and a little bit of information regarding where to find me, office hours, and how to email or call me. On this tab at the top, you will find your syllabus and schedules. So if you look in here, you will find a separate schedule for laboratory that is created in Excel, a lecture schedule that is created in PowerPoint for the fall, and then your syllabus, which is done in Word. There is currently here an updated fall 2019 schedule, which shows you some updates and changes to the schedule as of November 1st. Going back to the original page, we can see that we have a tab here for sending emails to each other and to your professor. From here, you can choose which students or professors you'd like to email. There's some activity logs here that shows you your activities that you have completed and a tab for some upcoming events. If you keep scrolling on down, you will find some information here regarding peer evaluation, and it tells you which of the three experiments you should be evaluating your partner for. Scrolling back up to the top, just a couple of more information posted here for you. There's some PowerPoints for each chapter that are currently unedited. So this would be all of the information that you could look at for the entire chapter. We may not go over all of this information. So if you're looking for the information that was covered during lecture, you want to look at the edited PowerPoint tab. The edited PowerPoint tab shows you, the majority of things that include edits that were made in class and additional information for that chapter. If you scroll back up and go back to the top page, there's a tab for supplemental lab materials. So, scans from textbooks, other things that you might need, and an experiment, one example on how to write up a report. Besides that piece of information at the top, you will see that we have some worksheets and keys that are made available in lecture, but are also posted here in iLearn. Some lecture notes that you can use to reference back in case you missed something in lecture. And if you scroll down week by week, you will see what is important for the class during that week. So here during the first week, we see a picture of the guide to the amino acids, a tab where you can get a link to the lab safety and orientation experiment, and a couple of other pieces of information. Also, we have the learning outcomes for each lecture and a self-assessment tab where you will take a look at your first Find the Errors quiz. And as you scroll down week by week, you see what is important again for that particular week. And on the right-hand side, there would be left-hand side, there would be a couple of tabs for you to take a look at information regarding your grade or other iLearn availabilities. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this, and let's take, there we go. Okay, leave meeting.